I'll be dreaming. I'll be dreaming. I'll be dreaming.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am back with a makeup tutorial and it felt so good to play with color, do a cut crease with a bold matte lip, just stuff I feel like I haven't done in a while, and it feels so good to just sit down and play with some makeup. So for this tutorial, I actually use this month's BOXYCHARM. I have been a member of BOXYCHARM for almost 2 years now. It's been a really long time, but I absolutely love this monthly beauty subscription box. It came with so many amazing products this month, and I was so excited to play with most of them and use them to create this look. So if you guys want to see what came in this box, also what other products I have been using and loving a lot lately, then keep on watching. This is the Alamar palette that I got in this month's BOXYCHARM. The first color I'm going to use is KoKo Taxi, and I'm using this as a transition color. Tropico is the next color I'm going to use, and I'm just going to sweep this in my crease with an angled eyeshadow brush to define my lid. I'm going to create a halo eye, and I'm taking Cafecito eyeshadow, and I'm just placing this in the outer and inner corner of my lid, and then I'm going to blend that shadow in my crease to diffuse any harsh edges. Now I'm going to use a mixture of primer and glitter primer to start to cut out my crease, and I'm just going to place this on the center of my lid with a concealer brush. Now I'm taking this beautiful eyeshadow which has a foiled kind of green undertone, and I'm just packing this on the center of my lid. I'm just going to put a few coats of mascara on my lashes using the Bad Girl Bang mascara from Benefit. Then I'm going to top it off with the Venus lashes from KoKo Lashes. This is the Dermae Purifying Oil-Free Moisturizer, which has activated charcoal, which helps with my breakouts, and I use this just to hydrate my skin. And to smooth out my skin and prep before foundation, I'm using the Too Faced Replenishing Hangover Face Primer. The foundation I'm going to use is the BarePro Performance Wear Liquid Foundation, which is my all-time favorite, and I use the color Pecan. I've been switching up my concealer, and I'm now using the HD concealer from NYX Cosmetics, and this is only $5. It gives great coverage, it's lightweight, it's perfect for under the eye area. I'm going to use the HD finishing powder and this Luxie brush, and this is the banana powder, so it's going to help set my makeup and also make that area stay nice and bright. And then just to make sure my foundation stays in place, I'm just going to set it with a setting powder. I'm going back into Cafecito eyeshadow, and I'm just going to apply this right underneath my lower lashes. Then I'm going into this matte, beautiful burgundy color, and I'm just going to blend out those edges for a pop of color. Now I'm going to use this waterproof eyeliner pencil, and it's a rich kind of dark brown. I'm just using this in my lash line to smoke up the look. Then I'm just going to top off my lashes with a few coats of mascara. Now I'm going to fill in my brows using my favorite brow pencil from NYX. This is the Precision Brow Pencil. I use the color Ash Brown. It's great for defining and filling in my brows. To add some color to my complexion, I'm taking the Jouer Sunswept Bronzer Duo in the color Medium to Deep, and I'm using the darker color, and I'm just going to put this on my temples, the hollows of my cheeks, and on my neck and jawline. Then to define my cheekbones, I'm just going in with a contour powder. Now I'm taking the lighter shade from this bronzer duo, and I'm just going to apply this as a blush, just for a little bit of a bronzy glow. Now I'm going in with my favorite highlight from Ofra, and also this Luxie brush that came in this month's BOXYCHARM, and I'm just going to apply this on the highest points of my cheeks and on my temples and Cupid's bow for a glow. Now I'm ready to define my lips with this Slide On Glide On Lip Pencil from NYX. It's the best formula, it's waterproof and long wearing. Now I'm going in with this color from Ofra. This is their long lasting liquid lipstick, and I absolutely love this color. This is the Brazilian Bum Bum Cream, which came in this month's BOXYCHARM. Oh my god, it smells so good, and I like to use this to hydrate, and it also firms at the same time. Alright you guys, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. It was so much fun to sit down, get back into filming and editing and creating cool looks for you guys. So it's great to be back. And if you want to get your own monthly subscription box from BOXYCHARM, I'll put a link down below and more information about what products I use to create this look. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.
I'm dreaming. I've been dreaming. I've been dreaming. I've been dreaming.